child of God, every minister of God who will matter in this generation will matter with supernatural strength. One of the greatest plague of today's Christianity is the bankruptcy and the shortage of strength. Spiritual strength, not power yet. Not power in terms of casting out devil, yes. Strength and spiritual stamina. The Bible said in the early church they met daily in the temple and from house to house. We want to experience the results of the early church, but we don't have the stamina of the early church. Why is strength needed? Let's go. Strength is needed for speed. Are you trusting God for speed in ministry? Speed in life, speed in your endeavors? Are you trusting God for speed? Beloved brothers and sisters, if speed is your desire, then strength is the vehicle. If you are not happy with the speed you are experiencing currently in life, in destiny, and in ministry, there is a need for strength. When God laid his hands on Elijah, he ran faster than the chariot of Ahab by the virtue of strength. I see strength coming for somebody here. If you are that one, say aloud, amen. Strength is needed for flight. We may look alike, we may be in the same church, we may preach the same message, but we may not fly at the same level because of capacity. The engine that is used for aircraft is Rolls-Royce engine. Most aircrafts use Rolls-Royce engine, but the Rolls-Royce car does not fly because it doesn't have the Rolls-Royce engine capacity that flies. So the fact that it is Rolls-Royce doesn't mean it can fly. It has to have flight power inside. It has to have the strength of the engine that can take off for it to fly. And even those that fly, they have different ranges. There are aircrafts you can fly that they will have to stop twice before they reach London because of capacity. There are those that will fly to London straight without stop. There are those that will fly from Nigeria and stop once before they reach America. There are those that will fly from Abuja to Hong Kong non-stop. Capacity. The issue is not that you are not yet flying, but capacity is low. So you are going to trust God today. I need a higher level of capacity. I need to fly higher. I need a higher dimension of strength. I am breaking down too quickly. I am stopping to refuel too quickly. I am breaking down too quickly. I am breaking down too quickly. I need strength. I need stamina. I need capacity. Yesterday here I was working on Seeds of Destiny. I was working on Command the Day Midnight Prayer. I was working on Message of the Conference all together before healing service. And I'm working on Canada. I'm working on America. I asked him to submit to make Seeds of Destiny of coming months to start to work on it in the course of the convention. We are getting too weary too fast. You need energy to fulfill destiny. I announce to somebody here today the strength that will sustain your flight. That strength is being released to you now.